Hey guys, are you looking for best portable laptop table? Then it is the right place to know about this product, and I assure you that you will happy to see this video. Watch carefully till the end. So let's start. Number 6, Departure Multifunctional Laptop Table. Flexible portable laptop notebook desk, foldable in desk and legs, small in volume, easy to take, easy to use. Desk made of metal with a plastic mouse platform, legs made of metal with plastic cores, ergonomic sleek design with multi-functional concept. The use of occasions, bed, sofa, table, carpet, meadow, desk etc. Used for computer desk, writing desk, sketchpad, board, dining table, flower stand, etc. High-strength ABS plastic joint, combined with high-tech screen printing scale, convenient ear adjustment. Price, $24.05. Number 5, Action Club Adjustable Laptop Desk. Handmade, all materials after carbonization processing, durable anti-corrosion, environmental protection. Each adjustable file of the computer desk has been scientifically verified. Computer desk has the function of protecting the cervical spine from harm. Let the desk feet free to up and down by adjusting the screws. Desktop with up and down, opening and closing function angle can also be adjusted freely. Price, $24.95. Number 4, LeHuo SHIGUANG Aluminum Alloy Laptop Table. Each folding leg has 3 knobs which can adjust and lock in any height and angle you need. The 360-degree valve provides the high flexibility just as human. Cooling function, table has fan and mouse board, not only a table but also a cooler. Made by aluminum alloy, ultra light and strong, it can loan 15 kilograms, 17-inch laptop table. Double fans, wind is stronger than a big fan. Price, $23.99. Number 3, Action Club Portable Folding Bamboo Laptop Table. Large desktop, suitable for your needs, with cooling holes to meet the cooling needs of the computer. Sophisticated product design, fine workmanship, user-friendly laptop table, flexible and powerful. On the right there is a stand for a mug, a little space for a mouse and a phone, small drawer for small items at the bottom. Can adjust, move, meet the height of individual needs, tilt angle, variety of attitude, 360-degree free rotation. Price, $28.19. Number 2, Bare Symbol Fashion Folding Laptop Table. Foldable in desk and legs, small in volume, easy to take and use, made of aluminum alloy with a mouse platform. The use of occasions, home, outdoor, bed, sofa, table, carpet, meadow, working, playing, painting and studying. With the exact scale, can easily be precise angle adjustment and height adjustment. 2 black non-slip buckles can prevent the computer sliding. Price, $24.43. Number 1, 9th World Adjustable Laptop Table. The laptop stand made by high-quality magnesium aluminum alloy, ultralight and strong. 1 big silent built-in fans, cool your laptop on USB power. Fully adjustable legs, rotate 360 degrees and lock in place at various angles. Say bye-bye to neck pain and tension from always looking down at your laptop. Easy to use and easy to carry. To adjust the angle you want, press the button down. You can adjust to the angle you want according to the scale above. Price, $24.79. Check the description box for more information about the product. Thanks for watching. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe.